Hi you guys, it's me, Be Unique. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. If you're returning, you know you guys are awesome. So today is Boxy Luxe Day. I'm so excited, you guys, because I haven't had Boxy Luxe in a hot minute and it came early. Like today is February 28th and it came like 3 days ago. And I'm like, there's no way. There's no way I got my box early. You know, I saw notifications like, okay, it's coming, it's on its way, it's not gonna get here. You know, I'll probably get it like mid-March, right? No. So, okay, I'm liking that. They're already giving me some good vibes. They're starting to charm me, you know, like, hey. So anyway, if you guys are interested in what I got in my Boxy Luxe this month, then please keep on watching. So, really quick, before we get into the video, let's talk about their big news, their update, and like all this hullabaloo that's been going on right now. So, a few years ago, I had already known that Ipsy and BoxyCharm, they made a deal. I think Ipsy bought BoxyCharm or whatever. And I was very taken back. A lot of people were taken back. We were like, oh man, what's gonna happen? Nothing happened for what, a year, 2 years, maybe, right? Everything's been hush hush, quiet. And it kind of feels like people forgot what had happened. And now that they've done their update, you know, and now we're going to transition over, basically, if you guys don't know, starting mid-March, everyone who has a Boxy subscription, whether it's base, premium, luxe, whatever, we're going to be transferred over onto Ipsy's app. So I don't know how they're going to do that. Is it going to be the same login info? Do we have to make a new account? I don't know. I'm hoping, I would see that it would be the same info carrying over. That would make the most sense, but I don't know yet. So the new things that are happening, if you guys don't already know, check out their Instagram. It spells everything out for you guys. But basically, you're going to be able to see what's in your box via the app. So that makes sense why they stopped using the little cards, because in this month, they ain't got it in there. So, of course, you know your girl had to start Googling some prices and stuff because I want to know, right? So, but anyway, in my opinion, they should still have kept the little cards in there. So, in the future, it's going to be, you're going to know everything that's in your box before you even get it. And I know this because I used to be an Ipsy bag subscriber until that when they started doing the Glam Bag Plus, like they totally messed up my box. I was not happy and I was like, unsubscribe. So I mean, there are pros and cons to that aspect because I liked being able to see what was in my box before I got it, you know, the prices and everything via the app. Again, another plus is the app itself. You know, I don't have to log into a website. Everything's already there. You'll be able to do the drop shops. They're going to add for Ipsy people, the mega drop shop. And, you know, so they're merging the goods about each other, so to speak. So anyway, with that being said, be prepared for that, you guys, if you are a Luxe or BoxyCharm subscriber like myself. So I'm going to start in with the first item. Let me tell you guys, I am impressed with this month. I have been charmed. I really have. I have been charmed in this month's box. The only thing, again, I will say is because of the prices. That was the only thing that agitated me because, you know, in last month's box, I was super agitated. But anyway, okay. So let me just open up my phone because I wrote everything down onto my notes because it, you know, it's more than one item over here. Okay, so the first thing that I had seen was a mini NARS liquid lipstick, or not lipstick thingy in shade 2978. I am not going to try to butcher the name title. I will show you guys. So this is a liquid lipstick name. I'm not going to, again, try to butcher that. It is a mini. I did find this on the internet. Let's see, for full size, $26. I didn't see a mini, but their full size lippies are $26. I'm not typically a lipstick stick girl. I'm a liquid gal. But that's okay. When I opened it up to see like what the shade actually looked like, I saw that and I wasn't too thrilled. You know, how the heck did it get messed up in there? I don't know. Cause I don't know, if you guys don't care about stuff like that, because I haven't touched it, I'll put it in a giveaway because I'm not a lippy gal. But if you guys are icky about that type of stuff, I'm not gonna put it in a giveaway and I'll give it to my daughter or something. But that's the only item that I'm like, and I don't want to keep, you know, I'll give it away. to whoever or whatnot. But anyway, enough rambling on. So that is the NARS Lippy. Then we have Dew of the Gods. Vitamin cocktail mask. It's a vitamin mask. Vitamin C, I believe, is what's in it. Collagen whip. So I'm assuming this collagen. I'm going to read the back for you guys. Let's see. Dew of the Gods, vitamin cocktail, anyone. That Fiji glow really hits different. Rich, luscious, and thick electric kaolin. Ooh. Infused with pure liquid collagen. Okay. Vitamin C and lychee. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Brightens, tones, and lifts your skin while restoring its natural balance. Injected with hyaluronic acid. I can't read today. Fiji Fuji is all about that youthful, radiant glow. It's a party in the tropics. Okay. Now, I'm all about collagen, you know, hydration. I'm just a little worried with the vitamin C only because I use a lot of things that like you can't use vitamin C products with. But any kind of skincare like this, I'm all about. So you know I'm keeping that. Okay. Because, all right. The next item. I keep having to unlock my phone. It's super frustrating. Patrick Ta lip gloss I found at Sephora for 26 bucks. I don't have anything Patrick Ta. And I was just like, oh, okay. I love the rose gold packaging on this. Super cute. I got the shade. She's expansive. Girl, you know. This is, it says pearl on it. I don't know what that is. Major Glow Lip Shine. Okay. I'm not a lip gloss girl. I'm not gonna lie, you guys. But on those days where I don't want to wear anything on my lips, I will throw a lip gloss on. Ooh, this is pretty. That is what it's looking like in the packaging. Oh, super cute. Oh, look at that. The doe foot like came out super clear. Oh. Oh, it has a scent. It's almost minty. Oh, what do I got on my hand? Sorry, you guys. But the doe foot looks like your standard angled doe foot. But it does have a scent to it. I'm not typically a fan of scented products, but they are nice to smell. I just don't like them on my skin. You know, my lips are a little bit more tolerable because, again, I have sensitive skin, oily skin, hormonal acne skin, eczema, psoriasis. Like I'm having a flare up right now. And I'm going to tell you guys real quick. So I was going to review the LYS Serum Foundation. And because of my flare up, I got eczema patches on my face. And this stuck to those patches like ain't nobody's business. It was really bad. So I was just like, no, that's I can't wear that. Be looking like a crazy person. I mean, don't get me wrong. Right now I am using the Rare Beauty Foundation. And it stuck a little bit. But it's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. So I will be, thumbs up to Rare Beauty on that one. Okay, so that was the Patrick Ta. Then we have Cotton Candy Champagne Blush Lighter Palette. I found this on Ulta's website for $38. Now, I'm confused on how the hell to open this. Oh, well, okay. So we're going to go like this. I love the packaging. Let me show you guys the packaging. I'm sorry. But this is super cute packaging. Like, I'm digging the whole vibes. This is from Beauty Bakery. Oh, I didn't even know. I didn't even know, you guys. I love Beauty Bakery's packaging. Their eyeshadow palette last month, it was super cute. I love the theme, the names, but the performance of the palette just wasn't. So now I'm a little concerned because I love highlighters and it's my jam. And I'm a hoarder of those things. So I don't know if is it going to perform well, but I don't know. We'll see. So here is that. The back. So it says blush lighter. I'm assuming you could use that as a blush if you wanted to. I'm a matte blush girl. I don't like a shimmer blush just because I do get oily 99% of the year, without my flare-ups and whatnot. So that's a little concern. I am going to keep this just because if I don't like it, my daughter will like it. But I won't use it as a blush. Ooh, there's a plastic. I forgot. I won't use it as a blush. Look how cute this is. Oh my God. Let me see. That is pretty. Yeah, see, I'm sorry. I'm just going to do a quick little swatch, you guys, because this is not going to be a try-on. But these are super cute. Oh, yeah. I'm going to keep this. Look how cute the inside is. Here are the shades. And then here are they on my hand. Yeah, like these are so my jams. The rosy gold, you know, fairly neutral colors. Definitely. Right, so the next item, oh my god, why can't, it's my bangs. So half the time I put my bangs up. Is the Some, I don't know how to pronounce this brand. Some, I don't know, Institute. This is what the box looks like. Let me see if I can get the brand's name on there. Hi, baby. Sorry, he needs my attention. But this is what it is. These are cotton treatment pads. They're exfoliating without the abrasion. Soft cotton pads infused with MDT5, exfoliating dead cells on skin surface, unclogging blocked pores, while delivering highly engineered vitamins, thus improving resilience, hydration, and encouraging cell renewal. I'm so all about exfoliation because, again, my oily skin, I get clogged pores, hormonal, all that stuff is like, this is very good for that. But because I have a flare-up, I'm so curious to know how that's going to react because, you know, they're so close. But yeah, I'm going to be keeping that, trying that out. Then we have the Elemis Clarifying Clear Wash, $49 that I found on the Nordstrom's website. By the way, the pads I found on their own website, I'm sorry, for $65. Then we have the Day Cactus Flower Leave-In Conditioner. Calms frizz, softens, hydrates, protects hair from breakage, which I'm all about. My kids have curly hair, so I mean, they'll be using that. This one is $26 that I found on Sephora's website. Then we have the Key EYS Let Me Glow Illuminating Serum that I found on Ulta's website for $26. This is supposed to have niacinamide in it, vitamin B3 to help brighten and balance, rose water, which is antioxidant, and it's supposed to replenish dry, dull skin. So again, with my flare-ups, I don't know how it's going to react with sensitive skin, but I'm hoping that's going to work. So honestly, this box was amazing. The only one item that I probably won't use, just because I'm not a bullet lipstick person, is the NARS. Everything else I am down to try. I'm just hoping it's going to work with my skin. So, I mean, one item that I know for a fact that I'm not going to keep is really good. Like, I have been charmed this month. I'm going to give this box 4 out of 5 stars just because I have not tested the product, so I don't really know yet, but I'm happy with what I got, you know? So, you guys, what do you think? Like, what's going on? Let me know your opinions on the news with Boxy and Ipsy. What do you think about that stuff? And what did you think of the box? Have you tried any of these products? You know, are these any of your go-tos? Let me know because I want to know because these are all new to me. I'm not gonna lie. These are all brand new to me. But yeah, so that wraps up this video, you guys. Hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave your thoughts down below. And if you have not already, if you've watched the video thus far, please sting my subscribe button. Come join my little beehive here with me. You know, help me pollinate my videos on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, wherever else you guys can think of pollinating my videos. Which, if you guys did not know, that means share me out. You know, if you like my content, if you like me, okay, and I entertain you, share me with a friend. You know. But yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye.